Before watching video, please like and subscribe our channel. The majestic Dudhsagar waterfalls are situated on the luscious and evergreen trees of the Western Ghats. It is in the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Molim National Park in Sangam Taluka. The Mandovi River finds its way through the Western Ghats and gushes down from a height of 1,017 feet from the steep side of the mountains, and this is a breathtaking view for tourists. Dudhsagar is referred to as Sea of Milk owing to its milk-like colour. Gushing water from an almost 300 m height is indeed a mesmerizing feel. It looks exactly like milk being poured from the top of mountain ranges. It is a known fact that Dudhsagar Fall becomes more hypnotic during the monsoon, and being the tourist season, it is the safest access. Many trains pass through this scenic beauty, but not many halts at Dudhsagar station. Our Dudhsagar bus service. You will be provided pick-up and drop from your accommodation in North as well as in South Goa. Our bus starts at 6 am picking guests from their hotels. Our pick-up points are Perambul, Mandrim, Morjim, Bagatha, Anjuna, Baga, Abra, Kalangute, Kandalim, Panjim, Margon, and Kolva Beach. It takes 2 hours to reach to Dudhsagar. Once you reach at Dudhsagar bus parking area, from there you need to hire jeep to go on top to the waterfall. Jeep tour fee per person is Rs 500. Children aged 4 and above have to be counted as adult and are charged full ticket. You can also book jeep online at www.ticketpapa.com. A rental fee of Rs 40 is charged for each life jacket. Life jacket is compulsory for every person, as per the order of the district magistrate. A forest entry fee of Rs 50 is charged per person by the forest department. The ride to the waterfall is approximately 45 minutes from the forest gate. The return journey is also 45 minutes. On arrival at the Dudhsagar Falls, guests are permitted 1 hour 30 minutes to spend time at the falls. The time is calculated from alighting at the parking area till returning to the assigned jeep. Once you reach back to the parking aboard bus back for return journey. Our bus leaves at 3:30 p.m. from the parking area.